in Seedbed, we take the best selected seeds, so the top-notch startups from all over Europe. We provide them with water and sun, so the best knowledge possible, tools and techniques that they could use to grow their business. And we also use carefully selected fertilizers, so the top-notch business mentors who are coming from all over the world, using the resources and leveraging the base of partners of EIT Food.
I think Seedbed is an extremely important program of EIT Food. It actually fulfills the mission of EIT Food itself to connect all the actors in the supply chain. That means that it connects startups with the industry experts, which act as mentors, but also with the customers and the real clients in the field.
So it's very interesting to see scientific teams, scientific-based teams from different countries working here in Poland, and to talk with them about the research and how to monetize it. So the international, so the European Union scope is very interesting. Well, I believe this is one of the first organizations acting on a very first level of innovation and entrepreneurship, so encouraging people from universities to monetize, to commercialize the research in order to make food and food processing better and more efficient.
Due to some interactions with the mentors today, we gradually found out what was the essence of what we should ask and propose to customers, potential customers. So that's already been done. We're now exploring, the field of potential customers and trying to make an action plan. So it's going well.
I really think that the program is well organized in terms of providing these startups with all the tools they need to make the difference. So in terms of training, in terms of budget, in terms of opportunities and interaction with very wide qualified teachers and mentors.
We hope that this group of startups will transform the future of the European agri-food industry, and we are glad to work with so many excellent partners coming from academia, research institutes and industry from all over Europe.
So we've got involved in the EIT Food Seedbed Accelerator program in the last month, and we're helping young entrepreneurs and startups to commercialise their ideas and go out and speak to customers to talk about what they have, what they can offer and how they can solve customers' problems. So we think this is a wonderful opportunity for young people and startups, entrepreneurs to get out to see what are the opportunities there, to validate their assumptions and to talk to many people, and we're hoping that they will be able to speak to up to 100 people in their customer discovery journey.
I think the fact that you give them very specific deliverables that they have to complete and not just kind of broad mentoring is really useful for them. And obviously supporting travel costs, which is always a problem because it tends to inhibit some of the activities that they have to do. And also it's just great that the mentors are so diverse, because it means that they can really get input depending on the type of business that they are.
I was quite excited to come to this Seedbed because I know that the future of food products are probably penetrating in this intersection market of health and food.
Is to be the fundraiser. I see myself as a bridge between the expectations and the projects my people would like to gain and the available funding out there. The Seedbed mentality helps the universities actually to see the benefits in a very short term of as if training can really help spin out.
What makes Seedbed special as a program is its innovative and progressive attitude to start-up companies in the food sector. So the food sector is incredibly important to the development of all of our work in relation to climate change and to global warming. The threats that global warming is causing to the future of food in the global and feeding the global population are potentially calamitous. the danger of running out of harvests, the danger of the desertification of basic fertile land that is currently providing the food that the world needs to live. It means that we are really in great need of developing the kind of innovations that allow us to produce food in the volumes that we need them to feed an ever-growing global population, which is expected to go through the 8 million, 9 million, 1 billion and even 10 billion mark. So the Seedbed program is incredibly useful in helping develop the technology and process innovations that the food sector needs in order to meet this challenge.
With the Seedbed program, we are going to talk with the customers, and we think it's a very crucial part of the business. Talk with customers first, and then build the product upon their feedback.
We really wanted to talk to our future customers. So the application for us in looking at Seedbed allowed us the opportunity to have some support, to be able to reach out to some key segments for us, both in country for Portugal as well as for broader in Europe. So we're very excited about being able to do that now.
We already discussed plenty of options with our mentors, and we had great workshops that helped us discover and target our customers in a better way.
I think the fact that you attract a good variety of young entrepreneurs across food and science, and it's all about sustainability and green issues, which is obviously very important in a global sense and very important to Northern Ireland as well, and I enjoy being a part of it.